The entire purpose of charting is to make nothing more than a binary decision. Is price going up or down? Well, my friends, let's jump into these charts today. We see that stocks are up, bonds are up, gold is up, Bitcoin is up. Now, the S&P is not reaching the high so far that it reached 2 weeks ago. Last week it didn't touch it. So far this week, it is up for the day 0.43%, going up to 407.78 is the high. 607.78 last week, 608.43, and the week before, 609.07. So we see where things are stalling and just slipping sideways. You can see it most easily on the half day. You can see it on the 2-day chart too, as to where things popped up on the Thursday, Friday, the 5th and the 6th of December. And then we've just had small little doji candles since then. That's the way this week is starting. Now, again, staying above that weekly trend line, just hanging in there. But again, not doing a whole lot, just really slipping along sideways. Look at the Qs, though. The NASDAQ 100, different. Hitting a higher high last week, a higher high this week. Again, looking nice. We had average volume last week. We hadn't had that for the 2 prior weeks. And again, things moving up nicely. You've got a lot of volume there from the Friday, Monday 2-day candle. Decently above the weekly trend line, as is the half day, up in the morning, a little further up in the afternoon. The NASDAQ doing well, just continuing to move on up, perhaps into and through Christmas. What's going on with 20-year U.S. government bonds? Well, they're up a little bit for the day, 0.30%. But of course, we had that spinning top 2 weeks ago, the week beginning the 9th of December. Last week was a down week. We can see where things for the last, 2 days has sort of been stalled down at the bottom. And we'll see which way things are going to go. Are they going to tend to just keep moving on down? Are they going to try to bottom where they had bottomed before, somewhere around the $89 mark or so, at 90.42 right now? We'll wait, watch, and see. Gold, ambivalent again. It's up a little bit, 0.24%. Had a green candle last week after some spinning tops, dojis, whatever you want to call them, for the 3 prior weeks. This week starting off weekly. We see on the 2-day candle, because of the down move Thursday on into Friday, and then a little bit up on Monday, but not enough to make that 2-day candle recover. Not a lot of volume either on the Friday, Monday move. So again, gold just stalling there. Bitcoin up almost 4% for the day. You can see it hiking up. Nice starting candle for the week. We can see a decent 2-day candle. Didn't have average volume, though. You can look on the weekly, see where it was down last week from average volume. But if you look at the half-day chart, you can see that we've had average volume for 2 days running. Things sliding sideways Thursday and Friday, but popping up nicely on Monday. So we'll see how much more of a run Bitcoin has in store for us. That is where we are as we start the week. Hope you guys are doing great. Always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. God bless, my friends. All the best from chartingwealth.com.